toast. Been a while. Here in, well, what? I guess Columbia Falls, Montana. Just about 5 miles south of Whitefish. And as you may know, I'm headed north to start the Tour Divide 2024. Yeah. Watch out, Doozer. Great to be back on the bike. Great to be in Montana. I think this is my 3rd Montana bike tour. Heading down to the mobile station for a muffin and a cup of coffee. You know me, Jack. Whitefish. Coming into Whitefish. Here we go. Hit it. It's muffin time. On the divide route here, everybody, just making sure my computers work and they have the route logged in and everything is good there. So riding back to Route 93. I'm going from Whitefish up to Eureka. I think it's like 63 miles. And while I'm in Eureka, I'm gonna check out the resupply point. That's gonna be a pretty serious resupply for me there. I think I might be trying to go from Eureka to Lincoln-ish area without resupplying, or that's a big jump, a few hundred miles. Anyway, beautiful weather up here in Montana. Always chilly mornings. I love it. It'll definitely be very hot in the afternoon. So anyway, heading north. It's good to see you guys again, and it's good to be back on the road. So hit it, Jack. Just pulled off the side of the road, taking a little break here, everybody. I think this is the Stillwater State Forest, and it is beautiful. But the air is just so much different up here. Very nice. Having a great ride so far. Working my way up to Eureka. Welcome back, everybody. Chilling here in Eureka, Montana, on a little rail to trail here on the edge of town. Yeah, I got here, I don't know, I did 65 miles today. I was here by 1. And I straight fell asleep in the park like I did 2 years ago. Anyway, made it here a lot earlier today and just enjoyed my time in Eureka. Talked to some other travelers and met some really nice people. I bumped into Matt Connolly. He knew me from YouTube, and we talked for quite a while. He's racing this year, so we exchanged intel and just kind of went over each other's bikes and geeked out for quite a while. But it's really nice to meet you, Matt. Can't wait to see you up in Banff. Montana is just awesome. So crossing the border tomorrow morning, heading up to I think Canal Flats. It's like 112 miles north of here. I don't know. It looks like a pretty picturesque area, and I think I'm just camping. I'm just gonna go to campgrounds all the way up, and then even when I get to Banff, I'm just gonna camp out. I don't know. Still got some things to do. Getting into race mode though. Is it less than, I don't know, maybe just over 200 miles up to Banff from here. Like I said, 65 today. I plan on just camping in the park like I did 2 years ago and just laying out and getting an early start for the border. Hopefully it'll still be a little bit dark, but getting light. You know, it gets light out, or it starts getting light here at like 4 in the morning, being this far north. So anyway, just enjoying my evening here in Eureka and just chilling. Morning, everybody. Heading for the border, and should be there. But border's about 8 miles up. Just gonna stay on 93. I was gonna look at the divide on Airport Road just to kind of check it out, but I think I'm just gonna zing on into Canada. Squirrel. And going for like 111 miles today. And there we go. Starting out. But Eureka's a nice little town. It's a cool spot. And I will be back here hopefully next Saturday. if everything's working out, but we'll see. Look at those mountains. Yeah! That's what's up. Wow. My gosh. About 4 miles to go before I get arrested at the border for having 25 pounds of beef jerky. Okay. All right, that's it for the USA for a little bit. And hopefully they let me through the border and I can start my first Canadian bike tour. It's gonna be awesome. So hopefully heading into British Columbia here, everybody. And coming up on Airport Road here. And this is where I started. This is where I started my divide trip in 2022. Right here at this intersection. Right there, Airport Road. And that's the divide route. So back on the divide route right now, go through the border, then the divide cuts off to the right and heads into those mountains. So I don't know, let's see how this goes. Here it is, everybody. All right, rolling out of here. I hope this goes well. First Canadian bike tour. So excited about this. So excited about this. The border was cool. They had a ton of questions, asking me what I did for work and asking me if I had anything on me. But a little bit more questions than I thought. But everything went well. Freaking out, man. British Columbia, bike tour in British Columbia. Wow, man, this is like ultimate for me anyway. This is like ultimate, man. BC, baby. The landscape should be increasingly more dramatic as I ride up. I'm heading for Canal Flats tonight. I think I'm just gonna grab like a campground there. Be 100 miles from here. Yeah, it looks very, very nice. So here we go, British Columbia, everybody. See that black bear? I hope I was able to get that black bear. He just ran across the road in front of me. Sweet. Well, at least it's not a grizzly. That's funny, man. He was really lumbering across the road. He was so quiet. That's crazy. I'm glad I looked up when I did. I don't see any cubbies out there. Wow! So nice up here. Yeah, I hit my top speed, 43.8. That's the fastest I've ever gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. 80 miles in here for the day, everybody. And just about 2,000 feet of climbing. I don't know. I might try to do another 50. Get up to Canal Flats, BC. This is just amazing. This is so beautiful. Crazy windy. Beautiful day here. 96 miles so far. In the Canadian Rockies. Okay, 123 miles today, made it up to Black Sheep Campground in Canal Flats, British Columbia. Excellent weather, great temperature. Just chilling here. I'm just gonna sleep on the ground, and I think I'm gonna get an early start. I'm 123 miles south of Banff. That's kind of funny, 123 today and 123 tomorrow. I'm cutting through the mountains and going over into Alberta. And I think it's going to be some pretty dramatic landscape, and so I want to get an early start if I'm doing that mileage. That's it, not much to it, everybody, but just incredibly beautiful up here. But just an incredible bike tour. This is definitely like the most beautiful terrain that I've ever ridden through. This is just really nice. I'm really enjoying this. I see a bunch of riders are already up in Banff and exploring the area, so I'm gonna get there, and I should have 2 days off and just kind of hang out for Wednesday and Thursday. The race is on Friday, so I don't know, I'm trying to get my head wrapped around that, but I just had an excellent day bike touring today. My first time bike touring British Columbia, so stay tuned, everybody.